Do you want to study in the US for free? Does the idea of studying at a prestigious American university without the hefty price tag sound like a dream? Well, it's not just a dream, it's a possibility, and we're here to guide you through the application process, step by step. First, it's crucial to understand the importance of your high school GPA. American universities place a high value on academic achievement, so aim for a high GPA, ideally above 3.5. This not only shows your academic prowess, but also your dedication and commitment to your studies. Secondly, you need to take the SAT or ACT. These are standardized tests that assess your readiness for college. A high score can significantly boost your chances of securing a scholarship, so dedicate ample time for preparation. Thirdly, many scholarships require you to write an essay. This is your opportunity to shine. Tell your unique story, explain why you deserve the scholarship. Be authentic, be compelling, and most importantly, be yourself. Fourthly, extracurricular activities count. Whether it's being part of the science club, playing a sport, or volunteering in your community, these activities demonstrate your passion, leadership, and teamwork skills. Next, letters of recommendation play a pivotal role. Request them from teachers or mentors who know you well and can vouch for your abilities and potential. Lastly, don't forget to fill out the free application for federal student aid, also known as FAFSA. This is a critical step in securing financial aid. So to summarize, maintain a high GPA, ace the SAT or ACT, write a compelling essay, engage in extracurricular activities, secure strong letters of recommendation, and fill out the FAFSA. Remember, applying for a scholarship is not merely about meeting requirements. It's about showcasing who you are, what you have achieved, and what you aspire to become. So approach the process with diligence, passion, and most importantly, confidence. Studying in the US for free might sound like a tall order, but with the right guidance and persistence, it's a dream that can turn into a reality. So, start preparing today, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to an enriching study experience in the United States.